Umiiyak tayo si Pikachu kasi namatay na din yung kapatid niya. Hello! And the winner of the battle is... Pikachu, the sister of Pokemon! Pikachu, the sister of Pokemon! Part 2. Her twins is died. And his little brother is die because evil SpongeBob karate chop he died. And Pikachu and SpongeBob and Mr. Krabs are evil. And their friends, now they're enemies. They're gonna flash them, evil and friends. Frenemies. Yes. This is a part 2 of SpongeBob versus Pikachu. Continuing. Okay. Tara na. Pagkunin mo sa ating camera sa atong. Salamat kay Pikachu. 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 Pikachu versus Pikachu na to ha. Muna na daw yung leader. Ano daw ito? Babayad na daw ha. Ang galing. I mean, they friends. Mr. Baru is alive. Good. Pikachu! Two Pikachu, one little Pikachu versus one baby Pikachu and one sister Pikachu versus Karate Chop SpongeBob. Pikachu ba lang kayo? First is little sister. Karate Chop them! Ching 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 ching. Dapat mo sa kami, dapat mo ching 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 ching. Ching, ching, ching. Pikachu! Okay, the winner, dapat mo yung camera sa akin. Okay, now is the winner is Pikachu. Pikachu, the big sister! Okay, now is the end of the story. Oh, Pikachu. Stop it. Stop it. Ah, what's your most thing on the